Working principle of server cold plate liquid cooling system. The server has high-speed CPU computing power, long-term operation, external data throughput capacity, and better scalability. To ensure continuous operation, the server generates a large amount of heat during operation, which often leads to downtime due to overheating. Therefore, when the server is used, cooling equipment is usually installed for the server. This type of server cold plate liquid cooling system currently mainly adopts liquid cooling technology. Its working principle is to install a cooling pump inside the server cabinet, which is connected to the inlet and outlet pipes, and the two pipes are respectively connected to the cooling plate. The cooling pump utilizes the high thermal conductivity and high specific heat capacity of water to transfer heat from the server to the water. After passing through the cooling equipment, the temperature of the water rises and it is then sent back to the water pump for circulation, which circulates back and forth to dissipate the heat generated by the server and ensure its normal operation. Overall, the server cold plate liquid cooling system is a reliable heat dissipation method that fully meets the requirements of data centers for effective stability,